This is our car and home massage pillow. The design is very simple, but the power is strong. And the components include a body device, car adapter, and a plug. There are two colors for selection. One is black, and another is pink. There is no button on the pillow, just control it in the code line. There are switch buttons in it and link out from the pillow. We can have a look at the pillow leather and the sandwich fabric. They are perfect, and also at the edge there is very smooth, like this. Let's insert it to the plug. There are two gears in the switch to control the pillow. If we press one, massage head rotate from inner to out, and both massage heads direction is different. One is clockwise and another is counterclockwise. If we press it too, massage head rotate from out to inner, and another difference is the inner light will be online. Let's close the light and have a look. See, inner light is online. Close it. Press 1. Close it. Press 2. Okay.